everybody, welcome to another video, user relationship. So in the model of Power BI, you can have only one active relationship between two tables. If two tables are linked with more than one relationship, you have to decide which relationship to active by using user relationship. So as a definition, it specifies the relationship to be used in a specific calculation as the one that exists between column name 1 and column name 2. See, suppose you have these two tables and these two tables are connected with two relationships and this one is active. The active relationship will be denoted using a strong line. The inactive relationship will be denoted using a dotted. So in this, one relationship is inactive and one is active. So inactive relationships are by nature not active. So in this example, you are having two dates, payment date and purchase date. So the active relationship will be with the purchase date. And if you need anything with related to the payment date, this won't process because this relationship is inactive. So to make it active at runtime, you need to use this DAX function user relationship, and you have to mention both the columns of both the tables. That is the date with payment date. Date will come in first column and payment date can become in second column. So as an example, if you want to take the sum of sales amount, and you can use this function delivery amount is calculate sum of sales amount user relationship sales delivery date and date. So user relationship is a calculate modifier which instructs calculate to temporarily active the relationship. That's why we are using calculate here. So user relationship needs calculate to make it activate. So as an example, we will go to the data set we are having. We are having a data set of life science, and if you go to the model, we have the calendar table, and this calendar table is related with this purchase table and with the purchase column. We have another relationship that is a payment date, but that is not active. So in this use case, we are going to see the total price with respect to the purchase date as well as payment date. So we'll try and see one example regarding this. So we are in the visualization pane and we are going to get a table. And in this table, we are going to get the calendar column, and we need only year and month. So we got the year and month, and we need to get the sum of the price. So for that, we need to go to purchase table, and you need to get the sum of the price of this year and month with respect to the purchase date. Since the default relationship is with the purchase date, you will be getting the total price with respect to the purchase date. So first we will get the price with respect to the purchase date. So click on the new measure. We got the new measure. We can name it as price with respect to purchase date equals to sum of price. Since this is the default relationship, you no need to use any user relationship. Just get the sum of it, and you can add it to the table and it will filter its own. So you got the price with respect to the purchase date. So now we need to get the price with respect to the payment date. So for that, we need to create a measure. So we'll give the name as price payment date. Also, you need to use calculate function. Calculate sum of price. Now we got the sum of price. Now you need to use the user relationship, and you have to give the column for linking both the tables. So first we'll give the date column of calendar, and then we will give the payment date. So we have written the function calculate sum of purchase price, and we need to give a user relationship with calendar date and payment date, not purchase date. So we'll be getting a measure with respect to payment date. Now we'll add that payment date measure to this table, and we'll see how it responds. See, the value is different. The first value in December is correct, but the second value onwards it is differing because the payment date what they have paid, the payment date is different from that purchase date. So obviously payment date will come after the purchase date. So obviously the end result also it will be shown. So the purchase date everything got finished in 2021 July, but the payment date got finished only in 2021 October. So in this way you can use the user relationship. You can use the YTD also for this payment date. You can use this user relationship for inactive relationships. So this video will enlighten you. Thank you. Have a nice day.